Today, we talk about
Psychedelic.
So, y'all already saw me get into these, so why don't we just get it? Bop, ayo, got them. These being the new React Prestos, because they got that React Soul dough. And there's the Psychedelic Lava Lamp, and that's the name of this colorway. And it's pretty cool, man. Great for, spring that's coming to town, you know what I mean? Can you frickin' focus, bro? Thank you. Okay, focus back on here. Thank you. Love this bop of orange, bro. Look at this. Look at this. If it'll focus. There we go. Nice. I really like this combination of colors. It really does give off that psychedelic vibe with these little oozings here. This kind of oozing from the bottom, this little boppage. And then we'll compare it to the other Presto in a second, but this cage says Presto, that's cool, that's cool. There's the updated React foam, so kind of cool to see the technology evolve here. But yeah, there's the little pods. And I haven't even put these on feet yet, but from what I hear, these are super comfy. So that's kind of cool. Let's try them out. What do you say? What are those? Oh my gosh. Brother, these are, worth the hype. Comfort level A+, or S, as the tier trend is kind of talking about. A little pokage of the foot right there. I went true to size, but there you go. There's little details in the ish. Really stands out. Obviously, you got like that lime, light lime, pastel-y lime type vibe, type tings. England triggered. But yeah, man, it's definitely an all-day type wear for sure. Great update on the Presto. I gotta say it, man. Cool. Well, the idea with the original Presto was to be a t-shirt for your feet, AKA comfy AF. And this updated model really carries through that lineage. So good job, Nike. Really dig it. That original colorway from the original set of colorways from the 2000 line, Brutal Honey, also came out, but these were just so sick, I had to do it. And I'm really hoping someday Nike will return the original Presto with that weird mesh, although maybe they won't, because they'll be like, holy crap, that one sucked. But I mean, just from a historical context, just to have that original build, that'd be cool, because the only other GR Presto I have is the Flyknit updated mid version, which to me, as I've discussed before, is a much better update on that shoe as well, because it's way more breathable, it's super comfy, underrated comfort, it looks great. And yeah, I feel like that's what they were really going for back in 2000, but obviously didn't have the technology yet because of Flyknit. There you go. So with that said, we'll see you next time. Bye. Peace.